If I told you these greens didn't come from a grocery store and they didn't come from a farm, would you believe me? Today we're picking our own greens in the most unexpected place. And by the end of this video, you'll see why people who've tasted fresh picked greens say there's nothing like them. Let's see if they're right. Before the picking. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying to hold these gloves. These are so cool. Cool. She said the snails been getting them, so she wants us to pick as much because they're past harvest, actually. Oh, there's more. Wow.
I'll show y'all how ours operate.
Okay.
You got the bag open?
She about to get it right now.
Yeah, they look like they ain't ever bigger than they grow sometimes.
Honey, I did quick fast and then drop that
Oh,
down.
so you just do the whole
Yeah.
thing?
Girl, and they go back so quick.
Oh my God.
I just get rid of them. Because they don't eat with the smells, they turn them up. See, these look, some of them look really good. So whatever you don't want, just toss it. But I keep it wet. Yeah, this one was good right here.
I mean, you just cut the whole.
Yes, I do. I cut all of these trees. They got cut just like this, and they you see how they back.
Yeah.
And they were so beautiful, and I have to come out here and spray them every night.
Yeah, and they like
So,
fully grown.
So the snails been having just a blast.
That's crazy.
Blast.
They like this some good stuff.
Yeah, and I say, but you know, I have to say to myself, well, talk about something eating. They ain't going to waste.
Yeah, you can always call us.
Yes.
Y'all
We will always come.
and I have them all the time.
For real, we
will be
just eat greens like just for fun.
Man. You need this foam out! You need to buy this foam out today, now. That way you can stick it on your window. You can make content. You can watch your phone without touching it. You can do it hands-free. Get this now.
Get the ones that sign. They say that's recent. Well, I cut the whole tree down usually. It don't matter. Because I hate to see stuff go to waste.
Yeah.
I have bought some ribs in the back. Whatever you guys keep for yourself.
Oh, I see one right there, the snail you was talking about.
Let me see right here.
Pump them out. We can pump them off.
They trying to get to it.
Yes.
They've been having a blast. They done had their brothers.
Oh, babe.
This is the ones you don't want to go that's on the bird.
They don't look like too many I'm gonna be taking
Yeah.
off. Except just them little ones. But last time I cooked all of those.
Oh, well, good. You guys didn't have that much though last time.
No, it was only one bowl for me,
I
one bowl.
cooked me some the other day. Boy. Them things were so tender and good.
Yes. They say it
I
tastes so
I
fresh.
had them coals and all. I was humming eating them.
They taste so fresh.
Oh, I did not bring some before.
Huh?
Didn't I cook some for the
Yep.
And those were just
Yeah.
style.
Those was good.
I cooked them. They were simple cooking. I just stir fried those and then
Oh, really?
I stir fried.
Like just fresh, like from cutting?
Fresh down. I stir fry them and dump that little smell off the end of it. Honey, I stir fry them greens.
Here, let me get another bag.
Then
You getting close.
What I do? Who wants to cut?
You could cut.
Be careful and just cut the whole. Just go. You could cut down to whatever. So they all good. Go to that. And you guys take just what you want.
Okay, thank you.
I'm trying to see.
Wait, mine.
You got it. Look. Take all of it.
I got it.
That whole
Here. Take these off of here.
and just,
And just stir fry. Oh, get this done.
I gotta try that.
Easy. Easy peasy.
How fast do they grow?
Too quick.
Clearly quick. Yep. Here, put this saw down real quick. Give me with the green.
Hold it.
Okay.
Should I have cut that one down some?
Shoot, I don't know. She said just cut them.
Yeah.
She showed you what to do. Okay. Oh, y'all was still on?
Oh yeah, my bad.
It's okay. We got 2 bags so far. How many bags do y'all think it takes for 100 people? Because we're cooking greens for 100 people.
Literally.
So, oh. Wait, y'all gotta, I can't believe this how greens come, y'all. Like, when you go to the store, this is how the greens
be.
Like, let us know if y'all have ever picked greens. Y'all, I'm trying to show y'all, but I gotta help, so I gotta keep hanging up on y'all because she can't do this by herself. In my hand that, okay, I gotta call y'all back for real, y'all. Like, after this one, I gotta call y'all back. Look how my bag getting. Like, comment, and subscribe. That follow us, share if you care, because we literally let y'all see with us instead of, because we had a really long day, y'all. So help us out.
Y'all just don't know.
Okay, I really gotta help for real. For real, for real. Yes, it's so many green trees. These ones look really good over here behind you. Yeah.
Look at the flower.
Hold on, don't put that chair over my greens now. I don't want to have to hurt you. Okay, I gotta call y'all back. It's too hard. Lower. Push up, push up. Oh, this one. Yeah. Like the greens be in the way. I'm gonna squish together. Move them out. Tuck up here. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Gonna leave y'all hanging and just show us cutting them. We might show y'all what they come out like. Her and it's soft.
It's a big
Okay,
one,
y'all, I gotta go. I gotta help.
Yeah.
My job is put them back. Okay. This is where we at. We got 2 big bags. Comment if you think that's enough for 100 people.
No, for real.
They do cook down less when they're, but we cooked them before, so. I wanted to show y'all this because I didn't know this. Maybe y'all know because y'all know everything. So, you know when there be holes on your greens in the store, it's because the bugs be eating them. So the snails, but we be having to pick off so many snails off of here. So I just wanted to show that to y'all because I thought that was pretty cool. This is her shaking off the snails. And then we found some spiders, some snails. So we have to really make sure we clean them. But yeah, and them snails, this is how you know the green's good because they tearing them up, okay? It is. Yep, this is the last cut, guys. That thing thick, boy. Okay. Any snails?
Nope.
Okay, cool. Okay. All right, y'all, we done. Because y'all been so good and y'all stayed here, we are going to show y'all what this look like after we cut them and clean them.
How much it is.
and how much it is. See? Finna pick these off. These snails. That's how you know it's a good one. Show y'all how to tie in. All tied.
So whatever in there ain't coming out until we get home. Unless it find another way. My finger almost messed up.
Well, be careful. Okay, oh, y'all get to see us pick a little apple.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, that's a big one. No. Yeah, no, he not coming. So y'all, this is Babe blanching them. Y'all, it's so many greens. And do y'all know that we bought these, or not bought them, y'all seen how we got them. Do y'all know that now we're going to give them to our family member who has a food truck because the event is not happening anymore? So crazy. But look at all these greens. Just wanted to show y'all. They look so good though, the ones that's coming out the hot water. Like, look at that. I'm in LA. Bye, y'all. I gotta go. So this is our last pot of greens that we had to cut and clean. All them greens, y'all, is done. So here they go. She put them in a bag, but it's like 9 bags of these, right? And in here, there's like 9. They look like this. And all we have is that left. So like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what y'all think.
Yeah.